2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 68,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.